Well, hello, folks. This is Jamie Oikel from runningrestaurants.com. I've got a great one question with episode for you with Darren Dennington from Service with Style. Here we go. Darren, so some restaurants do this really well, right? But some drop the ball. And I'm talking about using specials off the regular menu to boost sales and profits. So what are some tips to do that effectively?
Well, creating specials, obviously you get the benefit of being able to use up some product that hasn't been moving well. So you can create an additional dish to use up the salmon or use up the pasta that was left over from a catering event. Those features are fairly easy to understand. From the guest perspective, we love the creativity. We like the features. We'd like to see something a little bit unique. So there's a major benefit for creating specials to keep me interested as a guest coming into your restaurant. But it's also kind of a bigger picture on the specials is now you've given some content to your marketing team that they can pull in new people. Marketing the same items over and over is very tough and it gets boring. And if we're looking on social media and you're promoting the same type of message, then we scroll right past you and we're not looking at you anymore. But when you're coming out with these great dishes that catch our eye, maybe I'm not coming in today or maybe I'm not coming in next week, but you've entered into my thoughts of a restaurant that I want to dine at. So the specials can truly help the food cost, can absolutely help the guests coming back more often, and can help the bigger picture on the marketing. But you also have to have good costing cards for menu items that are specials. That creating just a simple dish out of thin air and picking a price that says, oh, that sounds like $12.95, let's sell it. And you turn around and sell 32 of those specials today that was at a 47% food cost because your cook selected the price. It hurts where you're trying to drive to as a restaurant. So just make sure that you're costing them out. Guests love to see the specials and they can really help the marketing and the food cost perspective.
Hey, Darren, follow-up question there, though, because I want to ask about the technique of displaying the specials. Some folks do a chalkboard, some do a printout, some folks try to do it by memory. What do you think is the most effective, or does it matter? Just the fact that it's being done. What do you think?
So it's a matter of everybody looks at it a little bit different, to where one guest is going to catch the special board and that feature dish is going to really speak to them. The second one has got to see something at the table. The third one wants to see a picture of it. The fourth one caught it on a social media post. The fifth one heard it from your server, and it was the personal description that really caught their eye. So it's a matter of promoting it in different ways to different people. So I love the feature boards. I love cards on the table. And my personal favorite one is when the server describes it from a personal recommendation and she has some passion about the dish and you can tell that she thoroughly enjoyed it. That's when I personally find myself ordering that dish all the time based on the personal recommendation.
Absolutely. You hit it right there very well, because they can sell at the table. And what I find when I'm with myself or when I'm with other folks is that selling process gets the person to go, okay, you know what? I'm sold. That sounds delicious. And that aspect can absolutely be done very well at your restaurant. So great stuff there, folks. That was Darren Dennington from Service with Style. In a one question with episode here at Running Restaurants. You can learn more about Darren and his team at www.servicewithstyle.com. And for more great marketing, operations, people, and tech tips, you can find us at runningrestaurants.com. We'll see you next time.